This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the special mesh file into Roblox Studio because without the asset you can't proceed. Once imported, assign the mesh ID and any texture ID, make quick scale tests like 1, 0, 5, 2 to judge fit. Place a part in the workspace, insert a special mesh child, then set mesh type to file mesh and paste the mesh ID. Make sure to anchor that part. This prevents physics from moving it while you adjust collision or orientation. Once the mesh is linked, focus on transform and appearance because visuals and interactions matter. Rotate and scale with hotkeys and hold Shift to lock axes for precise alignment. Make incremental changes and test in play mode. Apply materials and adjust UVs or texture ID offsets so textures align correctly, then tweak smoothness and specular for realistic lighting. Finally, set collision fidelity to default, hull, or precise depending on performance versus accuracy. Test collisions using a simple player model. To finish, optimize, and verify. This ensures your special mesh won't tank frame rates. Create LODs or reduce poly count in your 3D editor. Consider converting to mesh part for improved lighting and performance. Once done, test in multiple clients and bake normals if shading appears off, then re-export from Blender or Maya when required. If something fails, check that mesh ID is correct, content provider loaded it, and asset permissions allow use. That one troubleshooting check fixes most visibility or access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.